Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I am going to demonstrate the steps to redirect to the integrated opportunities, contacts and leads from an account. The first step is to open the details view of any particular account that is listed in this landing page. Now, in order to redirect to the contacts linked with this account, the user can click on the Contacts tab and select the required contact for whom the details need to be viewed. Now, in order to redirect to an integrated opportunity, the user needs to go to the details view of the account and select the integrated opportunity's name from the list of opportunities present. He is then posed with the overview screen of the integrated opportunity from the account. Now, similarly, in order to redirect to the lead integrated with the account, the user can click on the lead name from the account details page. This is how the integration between opportunities, contacts and leads from an account works within KEBS. Thanks for watching.